If you are wondering if we have a bloatware on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then the answer is unfortunately yes. We have many apps that are pre-installed for us on OPPO Reno 15 Pro after the initial configuration without our consent or anything like that, or without our knowledge actually. So this is like I'm saying, straight after the first configuration, and you can see that even at the top we have many different bloatware apps. Most of them are games, but not only games. There's also like AliExpress, Amazon Shopping, these 3 games over here. There's another one. We can also find, let's say, Facebook and LinkedIn and Instagram and Spotify and Timo and so on and so forth, and some more games. So as you can see, yes, we have lots of bloatware installed on this phone. However, of course, we can uninstall it quite easily. You should be able to uninstall most of these apps. And probably if you wait a couple of seconds, or if you go through the Play Store for the first time, then there's a chance that the phone might actually install even more stuff, as it happened for me on OPPO Reno 15. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.